message is transmitted at the request of the Tennessee Bureau of Investigation. An Amber Alert has been issued on behalf of the Franklin Police Department for Ozzie Lumpkin. Ozzie is a 1-year-old black male, 21 pounds, with black hair and brown eyes. Ozzie was last seen in Franklin, Tennessee, wearing black pants, a black shirt, and a green puff vest. Ozzie may be with his non-custodial father, Charles James Lumpkin, Jr. Lumpkin is wanted by the Franklin Police Department for especially aggravated kidnapping and domestic assault. There is no known direction of travel. If you have seen Ozzie or Charles Lumpkin or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact the Franklin Police Department at 615550684 or the TBI at 1-800-TBI-FI North D.